Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to do another deco art painting. We are using the Decoart Pouring medium, and then I'm using these three colors. These are the Decoart fluid acrylics, which are really exciting. I really love this one, the dioxazine purple, and then we're using yellow, green light, and titanium white. So, and then I have the Galaxy glitter, that's purple eclipse, and yeah, last time I did an experiment with the glitter, I mixed it with a color. This time it is just the glitter and the pouring medium. So obviously the pouring medium is white, but it will dry clear, at least theoretically. So this is literally just a bunch of glitter, fluid glitter. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am going to do a tree ring because that's my favorite. So I'm actually going to start with some glitter on the bottom, I think. And then go in here with the white. And this purple, I just love it. It's really bold, you know? It looks pretty dark. Yeah, so not using any black in this one. There's the green. It has not passed my mind that we're using Joker colors. All right, more white. We'll go in here with some more glitter. Okay. And then let's do more green. And let's see, more purple. And then we'll top it off, whoops, with even more white here. Okay, lastly, I'm going to put the rest of the glitter in here. Okay. Alright, kind of regret doing that. I realized it's glitter. It's not the same as paint. It won't necessarily help the paint flow, but alright, here we go. And then we'll go ahead and, starting right in the middle here, do our tree ring. All right, I think that's good with that. There's a lot of white in here. I'm gonna actually pour this around the edge because I don't want the center to be too white. I'm happy with that amount. We'll just now use this on the edge to kind of help it flow. All right, here we go. We've got some interesting white, big white cells here. Try not to lose too much of the green. Okay. Just helping along on the corners. You know what, I'm actually going to add a little more paint there. Because I don't want to run any more off in that direction. Okay, now we run it back this way just a little bit just to blend it in. Good. And then I'm going to bring it back this way. Stretch that green out a bit. Okay, I think I'm going to have to leave it as is because I don't want to run any of that off. So let's let this sit here for a bit. See anything else that develops. Like I said, we got these nice big white cells. And before anyone asks, no, there's no silicone in here. And yeah, all the materials will be down in the description. So we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So definitely lots of cells developed in here. Probably a little more than I would like, but I am loving these lines we got over here. And I also I really like this and some funky, definitely some funky designs in here. Some things I've kind of noticed that maybe tend to happen with the Decoart pouring medium specifically. But let's go ahead and do our close-up. So here's the bottom right corner. So we have cells that developed in there. And then up here into the upper right-hand corner. See those kind of like little lines in there? Those are very interesting. I've noticed that seems to be an effect that this specific pouring medium has. And then going over here to the upper left-hand corner, I think this area is just super cool. Love these funky cells. And then down to the lower left-hand corner. And here we've got these awesome rings with the purple and green. And the overall picture. All right, as a note, I see zero glitter. None at all. So I'm guessing it all is hiding in there. When I did the gold, it worked, but I think that was probably because I mixed it with a solid acrylic paint on that experiment. So I think it may not work by itself, but that could just be me. I could have just layered it in incorrectly or something, but anywho, I still love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.